Nay, lalabas lang po ako, dyan lang po sakit.
Saka na lang pupunta.
Dyan lang po sakit.
Umuwi ka bago mag-alas 7 ha.
Sige po.
Itong batang to talaga, di marunong magligpit ng mga gamit niya. Anong oras na wala pa rin yung batang yun? Pupuntahan ko na nga sa court.
Mare, yan ka ba? Ano ba tong mga sinampay ni Mare? Sira-sira yung mga ano niya, hanger niya.
Ate, dito ka lang palang bata ka? Kanina pa kita hinahanap?
Mare! Tinapay tayo na hanap Nakita ko yung mga sinampay niyo Sira-sira yung hanger niyo.
Di kasi ako nakakahanap ng mga affordable na hanger.
Kailangan mo na mag-upgrade ng hanger mo.
Mega Hanger 3000 is the most practical choice for everyday use. Are lightweight, affordable, and useful. It is a plastic hanger so it don't rust, and they are safe for all types of clothing. They are good for all types of shirts since they keep clothes organized while preventing wrinkles. Are also easy to clean, durable enough for regular use, and designed to save space in your closet or cabinet. Mega Hanger 3000. Always hanging, never quitting. Buy one, get 6.
Hear what Aling Hiroshi said when she was finding Aling gels?
No, what is it?
She said that all of Aling gels hanger were broken, but in fairness, she recommended one, and the quality is very good.
Okay, we'll see it online. What is it called?
It is called the Mega Hanger 3000. It's very nice. Look at it.
Uy pre, nanay mo. Lagot ka na naman dyan. Di kasi naglaba eh.
Ito na ako, pre.
Eh.
Tayo.
Natawa ako eh. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ano sasabihin ko? Mare! Hindi ko yung makita. Hinahanap pag sira-sira.
Cut. Oh, sasagasa.